How do you think we rank the keyword land flipping business in less than 6 days? What about the keyword land flipping or the keyword how to rank your properties online? Keeps repeating, never stop. To know how we optimize our site's content, ranking the highly first page on Google, then you need to stay tuned. If you're yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, do so now. By now, you've heard the real estate SEO boost the authority and sales power. And if you want to rank first page of Google, you would have to know how to do basic SEO for your real estate site. If you understand how to go about the right on-page SEO tactics, using the right content to keep your targeted audience wanting to read, you are on the right track. When people see it and they love it, chances are that they will share it and they will help you rank #1 higher on the search engine. Then you have to know that there is a big secret that ranks sites on the first page of Google. Also, a simple way to make people link to your content naturally. Another thing that is an absolute weapon is to win Google algorithms to your way of doing SEO. It is easy to see your real estate site ranks in no time. That is so important, but not easy to screw up. So let's get started. Target search intent real estate keywords. Let's start by, what is a real estate keyword? Real estate keywords can be defined as the search term or query consumers are typing on the search engine to find your site or content. Here is an example, guys. Okay, let's say I want my site to rank for the keyword land investment. You would have noticed that ranking for this keyword is super hard, and here is why. Head search terms drive the most traffic, but not the keyword that will sell your property if you're looking at things from that angle. Think about it. Your favorite e-commerce website, Amazon. Amazon makes about 57% of its sales from long tail keywords. Optimize your real estate site for on-page SEO. After that, you have optimized your real estate site for targeted keywords that will drive prospects into your landing page. There is one simple process more. As targeted keywords drives in potential buyers, on-page SEO helps secure the way they see your content, ranging from headline, keyword density, meta description, internal links, external links, image optimization, and more. The best tool I would recommend is Yoast SEO for this. This is a WordPress plugin that improves sites rankings. And lastly, guys, blog 10 times than your competitors. Take a look at this. Here are a few facts that will help you. According to research, businesses that blog get 50% more website visitors than businesses that don't. Not just that, marketers who prioritize blogging receive 13 times more ROI than companies that don't. Crazy, right? It's just the simple fact, guys. Now that you know how to do real estate SEO for your website, don't forget to follow us on all of our social media platforms and hit the subscribe button for more marketing insights from iStone Development.